Question 1. Write the equation of a line which is parallel to x-axis at a distance of 5 units from it, and another line parallel to y-axis at a distance of 7 units from it. Draw the graphs and write the coordinates of point of intersection. Solution. Step 1. Now students, we are aware of equation of a line parallel to x-axis. It is y is equal to b. Hence the distance is 5 units. Hence b is 5. So the equation is y is equal to 5. Step 2. Similarly, the second line is parallel to y-axis. Here the equation is x-axis is equal to a. The distance is 7 units. Hence, x is equal to 7. Step 3. Since these lines are parallel to x and y axis, we need not prepare a table for the coordinates. Hence, on the graph paper, draw axis x, x dash and y, y dash. Mark the scale as 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Draw the line y is equal to 5 at a distance of 5 units above the origin, parallel to x-axis. Similarly, draw the line x is equal to 7 at a distance of 7 units to the right of the origin, which is parallel to y-axis. The two lines intersect at point P. Read the coordinates of point P. The coordinates of P are 7 and 5. We now solve a similar problem which is slightly different. Question 2. Lines AB is parallel to y-axis at a distance of 3 units to the left of it. Line PQ is parallel to x-axis at a distance of 4 units above it. Write the equation of the lines, draw the graphs, and also write the point of intersection of these two lines. Solution. Step 1. Since the lines are parallel, we can write the equation of lines AB as x is equal to minus 3 since it is to the left of the y-axis. The equation of line PQ is y is equal to 4 since it is at a distance of 4 units above it. Step 2. Draw the axis x, x dash and y, y dash on graph paper. Take a scale on graph paper. Draw the line AB at a distance of 3 units to the left of the origin parallel to y-axis. Draw the line PQ at a distance of 4 units above the origin parallel to x-axis. Step 3. Let the lines intersect at point P. Read the coordinates of point P from the graph. They are -3 and 4. Question 3. Line PQ, which is parallel to x-axis and passes through the point R, whose coordinates are 3 and 2. Let us write the equation of a line PQ. Solution. Now students, since this line PQ is parallel to x-axis, its equation will be y is equal to b, point R is on the line PQ and the y coordinate of R is 2. So for all values of x, the y coordinate is always equal to b. The values of b here is 2. Hence, equation is y is equal to 2. We now extend our knowledge of graphs by solving the following problems. Question 4. Find A and B if the points P, whose coordinates are 3 and 0, and Q, whose coordinates are 2 and 4 upon 3, lie on the graph whose equation is AX plus BY is equal to 12. Solution. Step 1. Students, since point P and point Q lie on the line whose equation is ax plus by is equal to 12, the coordinates of these points definitely satisfy this equation. Let us substitute the values for x and y for points P and Q. For points P, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 0. Therefore, 3a plus 0b is equal to 12. We solve this linear equation and get the value of a as 4. Step 2. We now substitute for x and y taking the coordinates of point Q. Hence we write x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4 upon 3. So, 2a plus 4b upon 3 is equal to 12. Now we know a is equal to 4. Substitute for a and solve the equation for b. We get b as 3. Hence, value of a is 4 and b is 3. Isn't that simple, students? Question 5. Can you observe a common relation between the second and the first coordinate of each of the following points? 0, 3, 1, 5, 2, 7, 3, 9 and 4, 11. Write the relation. What is the graph of that relation? Solution. Let us write the coordinates in tabular form. If we closely examine, we notice that the y coordinate is 3 more than 2 times x. 1. For x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 3, y is 2 times 0 plus 3. 2. For x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 times 1 plus 3, which is 5. 3. For x is equal to 2, y is 2 times 2 plus 3. Hence, y is equal to 7. 4. For x is equal to 3, y is 2 times 3 plus 3, which is 9. Hence, the relation is y is equal to 2x plus 3. The equation of the line is also y is equal to 2x plus 3. Question 6. The coordinates of quadrilateral PQRS are P, whose coordinates are -1 and -2, Q, whose coordinates are -4 and -2, R, whose coordinates are -4 and -3, S, whose coordinates are -1 and -5. Draw the quadrilateral PQRS and state its type. Solution. Step 1. We draw the axes x, x dash and y, y dash on the graph paper. Take a scale of 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Plot the point P, which will be 1 unit of left of origin and 2 units below the origin. Point Q is 4 units to the left of origin and 2 units below the origin. Point R is 4 units to the left of origin and 3 units below it. Point S is 1 unit to the left of origin and 5 units below. Join the points P, Q, R, S. We get segment QR parallel to segment PS. Segment QP is not parallel to segment RS. Such a quadrilateral is called a trapezium.